Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. I will show you how to use Chiles exchange in this tutorial. At the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to transfer crypto and how to purchase fun tokens. But before we start, subscribe to our channels and turn on the notifications to keep up with our latest videos. Now, let's get started. Chiles is a cryptocurrency exchange located in Europe, and you can easily send your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other cryptocurrencies to your secured wallet and then trade them. It is the first tokenized sports exchange allowing fans and crypto enthusiasts to buy, sell, and trade fan tokens from some of the biggest names in the sporting world such as Barcelona, Paris Saint-Germain, and Manchester City. You can only buy these tokens with Chiles token. It is the native token for its sports fan engagement and rewards application Socios. We will also come to that. A fan token is a digital asset that is your license to vote in club decisions directly on the Socios application. You can use these tokens to influence your football team, such as which outfit to wear for the next season. It sounds cool, right? Let's start with how to sign up. You must pay transaction fees in each exchange, and if you sign up with the link you can find below this video, you will receive a discount from those transaction fees. You can click on this link and sign up with your phone number or email account. Also make sure that this referral box is not empty, otherwise you won't receive any discounts. Since you have signed up, you must verify and protect your account. You can click on this icon on the right corner and select User Center. Here you have a small comment center where you can easily access any option. First, click on this ID verification button, fill up this form and submit it. Also, you must provide selfies and a utility bill such as your recent internet bill for level 2 and 3 verifications. This process might take about 30 minutes. Second, set a Google Authenticator, phone number security message, and anti-phishing code to prevent any external attack. Crypto is in digital form and this makes it hard to track. Hackers know that and they would do anything to steal your assets. By setting up these options, you can protect your account. Now that we have completed our signing up, verification, and protection processes, we can deposit crypto from another wallet and start trading in Chiles exchange. Unlike the other exchanges, you can only transfer money through another crypto wallet in Chiles exchange. To do that, click on this balance button and select wallet. Here we have deposit, withdraw, trade, address, and transfer buttons. Let's start with the deposit button. First, type the coin name in the search box such as USDT and then click on this deposit button. After clicking on it, select the preferred network and your wallet address will be ready. You can copy this address or the barcode and paste it into your other wallet. If you don't know how to transfer crypto from one wallet to another, you can watch our MetaMask tutorials to learn how to do it. You can track your past deposit and withdrawal orders on this deposit record button. And now let's continue with the withdrawal option. You can transfer your assets from Chiles to another exchange or wallet. You must select the coin first, click on the withdraw button, type the wallet address, set the amount, and then click on this withdraw button. The address button is the same as the withdraw button, and you don't need this transfer button because in Chiles exchange there is only one wallet, which is our spot wallet, and there are a few ways to enter the spot market. You can search for the token from here and then click on this trade button, or you can select the exchange button, or you can use the dashboard. If you use the dashboard, you see the 24-hour market data such as the latest price, daily percentage change, daily market volume, and top gainers and losers. Also, you can download the Chiles app for your Android devices. Socios app will be the next topic in our second video, but as I said earlier, you can influence your teams, and you can do that only through the Socios app. Now let's continue with the exchange option and explore the Chiles spot market. Spot trading is the safest way of trading compared to margin and futures trading. Spot trades refers to momentary trading in that specific time's market prices. You can't loan money or use leverage in spot trading. Here we have the parity option, and you can select which parity you want to buy Chiles token, because Chiles exchange uses its native token for spot trade orders. After purchasing Chiles token, you can go back to fan token option and choose which fan token you would like to purchase or sell. Currently, we are on the Chiles USDT parity, and what you see on the screen is our price graphic. On top of it, there are time intervals where you can track your assets for different periods starting from 1 minute till 1 month. Here you have the technical tools to do your analysis like other traders. Based on their prediction, traders use this graphic to track if the asset price will fall or increase. If you are unfamiliar with the technical technical analysis, you can watch our Bitcoin from the scratch playlist. Also, you can look at the current market depth as the total number of buyers and sellers. You will see the price point for each buy and sell order that matters in the current market. And based on this data, you can predict if the market price will go up or down. Here we have the limit, market, and stop limit orders. You must use the limit button if you are waiting for a specific price point. You can type the price on this box and set the amount through here. After that, you can click on this buy or sell buttons, and in this way you can trade with less loss possible. For example, if I use the market button to buy or sell, since the market price is very volatile, I may buy at a higher price and sell at a lower price, which that should be the opposite. And also, as you can see, the set price option is gone now. The system will buy or sell assets based on their current market prices. Stop limit orders are must-use options. As I said earlier, the crypto market is very volatile, and since you cannot be on top of the computer screen all the time, you must set stop limit orders to reduce the chance of losing profit. For example, let's say I bought chiles tokens at 18 cents and expect it to increase to 22 cents. But what if it doesn't, and what if I don't have access to my mobile or PC when it starts to decrease? For these types of reasons, one must always set stop loss limit orders. In this way, I can create a sell order at 18 cents and set a trigger price for 18.5 cents. If the current market price falls to 18.5 cents, my sell order will open at 18 cents. Here we have the order book to track the current buy and sell positions. Also, you can switch it to see only buy or sell orders. Right next to it, we have the market trades, and here we can track the completed orders such as what as of buy or sell, when, and how much. At the bottom left corner, you will see the open orders and order history dashboard. Here you can track your data and also cancel your order requests. Now let's continue with the Explorer option. You can track the average block time, total transactions, total blocks, wallet addresses, recent transactions between wallets, current chiles token price, and the market cap through this Explorer. Also, you can see the official wallet addresses, total supply, and total holders of each fan token in this network. And last but not least, you can use the help center to submit requests and read about recent announcements. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channels to keep up with our latest videos, news, and updates. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.